Once again, lovely good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School. Students, we have started with our chapter Riya's Journey. Now we will proceed further. Now, in last session, we have reached that they saw a bridge. It was the entrance of the Kutch, right? On this, the Riya's father says that when this bridge was not there, all the trains of Ahmedabad used to go via Palanpur. That used to take much time. So before, when this bridge was not built, the all trains used to go from another route, right? Which route? Via Palanpur, and it used to take much time for trains to reach Ahmedabad. Immediately, I asked my father. We had seen two separate railway tracks. Before that was the way to Palanpur, right? Now she remembers that she had saw the two trains, right? On the junction there were two railway tracks, and she asks his father that whether that was the other route that trains used to go. So upon that, her father says yes, from that route only train was going. It was 11 at night, so father told us to sleep. Mother spread our bed sheets on our seats. All passengers were also going to sleep. There was toilet facility in the train. I went to toilet with my mother and then slept. Now, what happens? She says now it is about 11 and her father says that now we should sleep. So her mother spreads the bed sheets on their seats, and all other passengers were also going to sleep. And she also says that there was toilet facility available in the train. She went to toilet with her mother and then she slept. Right? Now we will see what happens further. Now Riya says, I tried to sleep but I was not able to sleep due to the train's noise. There was another family near our seat. The girl in the family seems to be of my age. So now what Riya says, that all of them went to sleep. But she was not able to sleep because of the noise in the train. And she is also telling that next to them there was another family, and the girl in the family was of her age, and she was also not feeling sleepy. We both talked. Her name was Fiona. So Riya talks with that girl, and the name of that girl was Fiona. She had some story books. I also took one book from her. Now what Riya says, that Fiona had some story books with her, and Riya borrowed one story book from her. Now what Riya says, that when she take the book, she started reading it. While reading the book, she slept. Suddenly, I wake up. I saw that light was coming from the window. I sat and peeped out of the window. It seems a big city had came. As she was reading the book, she slept, right? Now what she says, suddenly she woke up when she saw light on the window. A big city had came. She peeped out of the window. There was a big city, right? The train was passing and the city was looking very beautiful. So when Riya gets up and she peeped out of the window, peeped means she saw out of the window, she said that it is a big city. The train was passing through the city and the city was looking very beautiful, right? As the train is passing, we know that city was looking beautiful. Why it was looking beautiful? Because there was lighting all around. I have never seen such kind of beautiful scene in Gandhidham. So what Riya says that she has not seen such kind of beautiful scene, means such scenario she has never seen before. In which city? In Gandhidham. The train was passing under the bridge or somewhere from railway crossing where all around tall building and the atmosphere was quiet. So she is mentioning how the atmosphere was. The train was passing somewhere from the railway crossing under the bridge, and there were tall buildings all around, and the atmosphere was quiet as it was night time. So there was no noise. The surrounding was very silent. I took my mother's mobile to take photos and videos of those beautiful scenes which we will enjoy watching later. So on seeing such a beautiful scenario, what Riya does, she took off her mother's mobile and she started clicking photos and videos of the beautiful scene which she will enjoy watching it later. Okay, students, for today this much only. Further we'll proceed in next session. Students, have a great day ahead.